Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Faye Travel Insurance. If you've ever had a delayed trip, lost your luggage, or worse, like you needed medical care abroad, then you already know how quickly travel can go wrong. And that's exactly where travel insurance comes in. But not all travel insurance is created equal. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know, from what it actually covers, to pricing, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money. So let's get started. Faye is a modern travel insurance company that focuses on full trip protection, meaning it doesn't just cover one part of your trip. It's designed to protect your health, your travel plans, your belongings, and even your experience while traveling. Unlike traditional insurance providers that can feel outdated and paperwork heavy, Faye is built around a mobile-first experience with a dedicated app where you can buy your plan, track your trip, get real-time updates, and even file claims. The idea here is simplicity and control. Now, in terms of structure, Faye offers one main customizable plan, and instead of overwhelming you with multiple confusing tiers, they let you add optional coverage depending on your needs. That means whether you're a casual traveler, a digital nomad, or someone planning a luxury vacation, you can tailor the plan to fit your situation. So overall, the brand positions itself as a smart, tech-driven alternative to traditional travel insurance, with a focus on convenience, flexibility, and comprehensive protection. Now let us talk about the main features of Faye. First is the comprehensive health coverage. Faye offers up to $250,000 in emergency medical coverage for international trips, and it offers up to $500,000 for emergency medical evacuation. This includes hospital stays, prescriptions, and even COVID-19 treatment, which is treated like any other illness under the plan. Next is the trip protection. This is where Faye really shines. You get trip cancellation coverage of up to 100% of your trip cost. You get trip interruption coverage of up to 150%, trip delay coverage with daily reimbursements, and missed connection protection. So if your trip gets disrupted for covered reasons, whether it's illness or even a provider going bankrupt, you're financially protected. Next is the coverage for your belongings. Faye also protects your stuff. You get up to $2,000 for lost or damaged luggage, and you also get reimbursements for delayed baggage. This includes personal items and even some professional equipment. Then there's a smart app experience, which is one of Faye's standard features, the app. Inside the app, you can file claims quickly, you can track flights in real time, and you can also get support instantly, even receive updates about delays and baggages. There's even a feature that gives you complimentary lounge access if your flight is delayed, which is honestly a nice touch. And there are add-ons for customization. You can upgrade your coverage with add-ons like cancel for any reason, which is up to 75% reimbursement, rental car protection, adventure sports coverage, pet care coverage, vacation rental damage protection. This flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of Faye. Now, what is the pricing like? Well, the pricing is variable. It depends majorly on your destination, the trip length, your age, the total trip costs, and the add-ons that you select. But to give you a rough idea, basically plans start around about $4 to $6 per day, depending on your trip details. What are the pros and cons of using the Faye Travel Insurance? First, the pros. It has very comprehensive coverage. Yes, you're getting protection for your health, for travel, and belongings all in one plan. It has customizable options, so you only pay for what you actually need. And then there's a mobile app with great experience. Yes, it's a major upgrade compared to traditional insurers. And next is the medical coverage, the primary medical coverage, which simplifies the claims process. How about the cons? First, no service is perfect. Keep that in mind. Coverage limits are also fixed. And also, add-ons can increase the total cost quickly, especially if you want maximum protection. So should you buy Faye Travel Insurance? Here's the honest answer. If you're looking for a modern, easy-to-use travel insurance provider with strong coverage and tech-first experience, Faye is definitely worth considering. It's especially good for frequent travelers, tech-savvy users, people who want everything managed in one app, and travelers who value convenience and real-time support. However, it may not be the best fit if you want the absolute cheapest insurance option or you prefer highly customizable coverage limits. And that's it on the review of Faye Travel Insurance. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you can explore Alliance Travel Insurance, World Nomads, and Safety Wing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.